Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 1978 Lincoln Mark V. This comes from Mike in Lee Summit, Missouri. That's my home state. I'm from Missouri, so we share a little bit of a kinship there. And Mike has requested the modern internal conversion, probably to improve reception and get everything working again. Now, one thing I'll say about I get a lot of guys who say, "Well, I don't need FM. I just want my radio to work." Actually, the main reason that the FM conversion products were invented and manufactured was not really just to add FM. It's to get these radios working again, period, in the absence of parts 50 years after manufacture. And since most people don't listen to AM anymore, it makes sense to add FM, which it's really hard to even find parts for AM anymore. So the FM conversion is not an attempt to push FM on you guys. That's how we get the radio working again. You're not going to find new vibrator transformers. You're not going to find new output transformers. You're not going to find any Ford integrated circuits that are new and original. There's no money to be made going back and trying to make parts for these old units, whereas a company who can manufacture electronics is going to be going after the new car market. They're not going to be worried about the old beat up radios that even your dealer is not going to know. Anyone that can fix your radio, they're going to suggest that you buy a new one. So just to get that out of the way. Okay, let's move on to the unit here. Now, another thing I'll say is when we do a conversion, this was originally a quadraphonic tape unit. Now, while the conversion electronics do have 4 separate speaker amplifiers, it still only has 2 discrete audio channels. So I had to do the head switching to make it, to be able to enable to play stereo tapes. It will not play quad tapes after conversion, and there's something that can't be avoided. There's no room to stick another module in there to add the 2 channels, and there's no way to make one slave off of the other one. So this 8-track will only play stereo tapes, which is actually kind of nice because I hope, as expensive as quad tapes are, I hope you're not leaving them out in your car anyway, or leaving them stuck, out in the outdoor environment. So okay, let's go ahead and turn her on. I have her set to AM at the moment, to the 1-star station I get, so we can check the balance and fader function. So here we go.
Haley campaign. Connect the dots, follow the money, and you get the answers.
We're going to need an output level meters to make
and other patriotic documents. Follow Greg, our friend, on social media at Greg Jarrett, 2 G's, 2 R's.
Okay, now the original fader is no longer used because they have a limited lifespan, and I'm not going to have one go out and the customer sends it back only for me to tell them, sorry, I don't have a fader, we got to do it this way anyway. So here's how we adjust the front rear fader.
They've given hundreds of thousands of dollars to causes you believe in, to the sanctity of life, to the First Amendment.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control, this is all done using the tone control, all the way front, all the way rear,
the good guys.
And rear.
Good.
Okay,
to
I'm
from those who hate America. The big companies are left doing their work when
fader set.
Okay,
illegal
now we got left-right balance.
Demanded myself.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
my children
all the way left,
and my
all the way right,
provided genuflected
left,
before the ultra
right.
wokeness.
Okay, center
that's it. And I cut the cord and I
balance
is set. Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 station presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly.
On the presidency. So I need you
Okay, there's that. Let's try the 8-track. Blank spot there. Okay, that takes care of that. pull the tape out, radio comes back, of course. So that completes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can call me directly at 928-533-9666. But I do appreciate it when a customer does some research first and already knows my prices and options and turn times and all that. And that just saves time on the phone, allows me to put more time into my quality workmanship. So thanks to my friend Mike in Lee Summit, Missouri, my old state mate, I guess you can say. And thank you for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.